St. Catherine is just north of the Florida Turnpike, east of Morse Boulevard. It is southeast of Chitty Chatty Bradford and due east of Hawkins. The focus of this area, nature, they have all these trails here that you're looking at. Plenty of Florida oaks with the Citrus Grove. It's like not Citrus Grove, the Chitty Chatty Preserve, bumping right up to it. Sawgrass Grove area is going to be in the middle of St. Catherine. Sawgrass Grove is that area. We'll take a look at it later. Several cool things for local residents. If you've watched any of the videos in this area, you've heard me talk about how nice Sawgrass Grove will be. The Ezell Rec Center is the big draw, centered around golf, named after Ezell, who is the guy who designed everything. Rec Center will also be surrounded with McGrady's pub, restaurant, outdoor entertainment, stage, and then the Clifton Grove putting course. The putting course will have 18 holes to practice and play on. Of course, there will be a neighborhood pool, shuffleboard, which is what you're looking at now. People are already out here enjoying it. A lot of construction going on. This was taken later in the day, somewhere around 5:30. A lot of construction trucks leaving. All your typical games are here: cornhole, shuffleboard, and this is where you get your mail if you live in the St. Catherine area. I think they're calling these like the local small rec centers or whatever you want to call it. And then they'll have the bigger rec center like the Ezell Rec Center. We're going to take a look at some prices of some houses coming up here. Not too many houses for sale in this area, not new anyway. They've already been snatched up. Very few listed on the website, but I was able to find a few up in the northeast corner. This is the eastern side of St. Catherine here. So we're looking toward all the new places I guess we're not looking at them because we're looking at the woods, but Newell, Denham, Dabney, they're all southeast of this area right here along the northern side of the turnpike. And then we're turning toward the north. You can see the running, walking path, biking path right there. And it goes all the way around St. Catherine, all the way around the outside along the Chitty Chatty Preserve. And that is a golf cart running, or not golf cart, running, walking, biking path only. Natalie was actually out running on it when I was doing the video. So like I said, this is the northeastern side. We're going to turn around here and I'm going to show you some prices of some houses in the area. This is towards Hawkins. You can see how big St. Catherine is already. Quite a bit done. A little more to go. And then right here is your first house. This is an indigo 3-bedroom, 3-bath. This is on the higher end in this area. That's left around $422,000. There are a few villas and a few bungalows that are coming up for sale as well that we'll take a look at here in a little bit also. Now we're going to swing right back around at the area we were looking. So we're coming at from the west, turning to the south now. And you can see all the new homes in St. Catherine. I get you some prices up here. We are facing the Citrus Grove area. Citrus Grove is straight in front of us, right before the turnpike. And then you're going to get to take a look at a few of these homes. This is the first one is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath hammock for $360,000. Then you got a 3-bedroom, 2-bath sandpiper, $269,000. That's on the lower end. And then you have in the Kayla Villas, you have one as well. Southern Oaks Golf Course. This is a championship golf course. It will probably be done within the next few months. Currently, they're selling land to build the houses on. Few houses also in Sawgrass Grove. And then you got Peyton Bungalows. Peyton Bungalows are right next to the Azell Rec Center, which we looked at earlier. The bungalows, there's a few in there, not a whole lot, but ranging from just under 300,000 to around 320,000. And there's 2-bedroom, 2-bath, and 3-bedroom, 2-bath in there also. Peyton Bungalows does not have direct access to Sawgrass Grove, but obviously they're on the same road, so it's not going to take you very much to get to Sawgrass Grove. Sawgrass Grove is basically going to be the square for this area, and then this would be your personal rec center if you live in St. Catherine area, with your mail and all that kind of stuff. We're gonna fly over it, and you can see some people walking in there right off the walking path, and this is the walking path right here. So there's no golf cart access here on these walking paths. They started separating these out, I believe, when they started building Chitty Chatty area, because they have people that want to take nature walks and things like that. Like I said, Natalie was out here running. I think she did 3 miles the day we did this. She's doing her 100 miles this month. And of course not, because I have the sling. I got up to 60 before the 18th. I was okay with that. And this is the easternmost area for St. Catherine right here. I'm sorry, the westernmost. I'm backwards. This is the easternmost. Again, one of the trails going around. There's Natalie out there doing her intervals. I'm kind of just making fun of her here, facing her. She knew I was watching her. She gets a little embarrassed being on camera, so if you ever see her out in public, make sure you say hello. She loves it. As always, thanks for watching the videos, and we will see you in the next one.